Hi, briefly, this is a Cobra Fi2000r CL. This particular one, closed loop system. This will tune, you can manually tune it till you get your green, red and amber lights. As you can see here, there's 3 tuners. This is like your carburetor, low, medium and high throttle settings. Okay, so this is like your pilot jets, your throttle slide and your main jets. Okay, this one here, fully auto tuning. So you got the choice, fully auto tuning. This is your Power Pro, sometimes called a Power Pro Black as well, and this here is your Fi2000r CL. The Fi2000r without the CL is basically not closed loop, so it doesn't take your feedback off your sensors. This one here is fully automatic, you don't need to tweak anything at all. It will automatically tune to the optimum mix all the time, much like your your FP3s, that kind of thing. Okay, so if you're interested in any Cobra products, give us a bell, 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com. Customcruisers.eu coming along, not a lot on there yet, but there will be. Thank you.